Imagine a plant so powerful it can break through concrete and infiltrate the very foundations of your home. Meet Japanese knotweed, one of the most unique invasive plant species in North America. Its invasions are sudden and aggressive, making it a global threat. These plants thrive in areas impacted by human activity, such as roads, trails, and construction sites. With its complex root system and fast-growing capabilities, it can reach heights of 10 feet in just one growing season. The stems of Japanese knotweed resemble bamboo, hollow and segmented, though it's actually in the buckwheat family. Its leaves are broad, dark green, and its mature stems take on an orange color. These plants produce small, white flowers at the end of the growing season, but are killed off by the first frost. However, they return in the spring through their rhizomes. Japanese knotweed was first recorded in North America in the 1800s and was originally used for ornamental and privacy purposes in gardens. It is native to Asia, primarily Japan, China, Korea, and Taiwan. It's now considered one of the most invasive plants in the world, found on every continent but Antarctica. Its fast growth and dense stands make it impossible for herbivores to control, and its roots are incredibly hardy. The only way to permanently remove it is to completely dig out and remove the rhizomes, a nearly impossible task. Its small fruits spread easily through waterways and the wind, making management a continuous battle. This invasive species is detrimental to its surrounding environment, blocking out sunlight for native plants, consuming large amounts of minerals and nutrients from the soil and limiting resources for nearby species. It limits biodiversity, making it an undesirable species in North America. Be wary of this powerful invader and the destruction it can cause.